All right, guys, so it is me again, and hopefully I'm not talking too loud. I looked at the last video, and I was not talking loud enough, so hopefully I'm not talking too loud. So in the last video, I showed you guys how I made my old ship kit, or my what you would call your girls kit, your guys trip kit, whatever you want to call it. And I just want to show you guys what it looks like all together. Okay, so this is my box. Okay, so let me go ahead and put my box together for y'all. And this is the outside of the box. All right, and then this is what the inside of the box looks like. All right, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this thing together without messing with the camera. You know what? I'm gonna get a box that's already made. I think I'm gonna get a box that's already made. All right. So this is what the box looks like already made. Okay. Okay, this is what my boxes look like. I do women and children, so my boxes are nice and colorful, and it says this box belongs to, and all of the agency information there. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside my box. I be showing y'all too much. I show y'all too much, but I love y'all. I love y'all. All right. So let's go ahead and make this box, okay? So the very first thing that I'm going to put inside of my box is, come on, all right, is some paper, some shredded paper, okay? So let's put this inside the box, make it look nice, make it look nice. It looks nice, all right? All right. So for this trip here, my regular clients, so clients that have not traveled with us before, they have the hand towel. So let me show you this. All right. All right. So my clients have the hand towels here, okay? And it has their name on it. So what I'm gonna do is my regular clients get the hand towels, but my clients, I call them my VIPs. My VIPs that have traveled with us before, they actually get a towel, a big towel that has their name and the trip information, and it says VIP on it as well. I'm getting ready to, I'm trying to load the towel up so y'all can see it. They get a towel as well. This box is gonna be pretty packed, so hopefully I can fit it all in there, y'all. So this has their names on it there. But I'm about to try to put this thing in here. So this is, let's see. All right, let's see. So we got that inside of this thing. It's packed, pretty tight. And then I got not only that, but I have this as well. So this is the rag. So let me go ahead and get this rag ready to roll up in there. And you know what? Maybe, give me a second. Maybe I'm gonna not roll this up. Maybe I'm just gonna like do it kind of in half so it can lay flat. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it in half so it can lay flat in there. It's gonna take up a bunch of room. Let me see. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna take up too much room. But this thing gotta go in there. Gotta go in there. So let me just roll this up tight. I was trying to have it where his name shows on the front, but maybe we can't. Hold on. Yeah, I did this. You know what? I did this too big. Y'all, give me a second. Give me a quick second. All right, y'all. This thing gave me a run for my money, but I did it. All right. So now it fits perfectly in there. All right. Push it towards the back. There we go. And then I have the sweat rag here. All right. So I can probably put it on the side, and then I have the trip shirt here. All right. So I'm going to just roll this up here and put it on the side. This thing is, I don't know how all this stuff will fit in here. But let's make it try to do whatever it's trying to do. All right. Put this here. And so these bags are like, these boxes are a little bit different because this has the VIP towel as well as the regular strip rag in there. All right. Lord have mercy. All right. Got that there. The next thing is the old ship kit. Let's fold this down. We can probably put this right there. The next thing that I'm going to put in here is a pen. Right? And then the very next thing, if y'all don't have any custom lanyards or anything like that, y'all can get a lanyard like this and put some business cards in there. Make it nice and cute. All right, I'm going to just put this here. There's so much stuff in here, y'all. So let's do this. This thing is pretty bad. So the people with the VIP towel, their badges. So, okay, got that in there. Maybe I should put the lanyard up top. Maybe I can put it at the bottom since it's not showing. They also get a group trip bag. It's my bag. So the basic bags they look like. This is like a drawstring bag. I could just fold it up. Simply fold it up. Right? Yeah, so I think what I'm pretty much gonna do, I'm gonna put this stuff here at the bottom. Got the lanyard down there at the bottom, and then I also have this here down there at the bottom. All right, got that, and then we're almost done. For my mom, I have oh, actually, here I want to show y'all this. So for my old ship kit, I do have some labels here. Some like some labels with the business info on it. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put it right down here at the bottom. So I want to try to be very careful when I probably should have put these on the bag before. And if I don't like how it looks, I can always just pop it on the bag. But for right now, this looks good to me. All right, so I got my info down there because most people don't print stuff on the bag, if that makes sense. All right. There. This stuff has for the car. Well, hold on. For my mom, can't find one of my kids' books, but moms get a booklet, and then they also, let me do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm going to, because I don't have a lot of VIPs on this. I'm gonna take this VIP towel out just to give you guys a good idea of. Because I honestly don't think that this thing is about to close to it. that VIP towel in there. So I'm gonna show y'all this without the VIP towel because that thing is pretty big. I have to figure out exactly what I'm gonna do with the VIP towel. I'm gonna give it to them, of course, but I got that there. And then we're gonna do that like that. Then we're gonna open the shirt. Shirt on there. All right. I'm gonna make this VIP towel a little bit bigger. All right. All right, I'm almost done folding this, rolling the towel up. All right. I like rolling my stuff up. Why, child? I don't know. I just do. All right. There we go. This can go right there. All right. Group trip bag, drawstring bag. Probably go somewhere over here. It's closed now. There we go. That's that. All right, the lanyard. I'm trying to figure out how should I put the lanyard. I don't know. Lanyard got some business cards in it. And then normally on the other side it has like my logo and stuff on it. But I didn't get a chance to do these. And it's okay. It is okay. All right, so we got the t-shirt. This is a regular box for my regular client. T-shirt, sweat rag, old shoot kit, drawstring bag, a lanyard. We're gonna put a pencil right here. I'm sorry, pen right there. And then they also get a mom's travel journal, right? And then I also give them a thank you card. Thank you for booking with us. Right, so I'm going to put this here, and then I'm going to put them a thank you card. All right, so let me try to, so we got the thank you card. I got a big card, a big business card, a post card, mom's travel journal, and eventually I'm going to get these travel journals made into some books so I can sell them on Amazon. I can buy them if y'all want to. Shoot kit, lanyard, bag, pen, sweat rag, and shirt. All right, and so that's it. Let me try to close it. All right, so close this. Yeah, because I know for sure that I'm gonna have to figure out a better way to put it in the kit together with the towel. I may just put the towel nice at the top or bottom and say VIP. So this is it. This is my box. I hope you guys like them. Try to, create things that, clients will remember because it's, super personalized. Not only is the experience personalized, but, their items are personalized as well. So, yeah, I hope you guys like it. Constructed this, and this. All right. Hope y'all like it. I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.